In this video, I will show you how to add a vertical line on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to choose the website that you want to add the vertical line for. And once you're in the website, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now, on the left sidebar, you're going to go to website. You're going to go to pages. On the pages, you're going to find the page that you want to add the vertical line to. And on the right side, there's a preview of that page. You're going to go to the top and click on edit. Now here you're going to find the section that you want to add the vertical line to, and then you're going to click on add block for that section. And here what we want to do is we want to add a code. So once we add a code, it's going to give us a preview code of hello world, and once we hover over it, we can see this pencil here that says edit. We're going to click on edit, and the code that we want to add is a div with a class that says vertical line. Now, if you click on display source code, you're going to see the source code display here. But what we want to do is not to display the source code. We're going to toggle this off, and we're going to leave this like this. What is important is the vertical line class. So we're going to save this, and you realize nothing is showing here, just a block. Now we're going to go back and to this sidebar here, and we're going to go all the way down to custom code. We're going to click on custom code, and on the custom code we're going to click on custom CSS. Now in custom CSS, under custom files, what we want to do is we want to put in a class that's going to style the div that we put in the block in a section in the contacts page, and the div that we gave this class to, and that's a vertical line. So that's how to add a vertical line on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.